morning, children. How are you all? Yes, you are definitely fine because you are enjoying the activities which are being given in these sessions. So, in the previous session, we have started with the new chapter. Yes, that is long and short. So, just recap what all activities and what are the concepts which we have learned in the previous session. So, we have learned that all objects are measured by using scale and measuring tape. Okay, measuring tape are of different types. We have learned that the architects use their own measuring tapes, tailor uses tailoring measuring tape. So there is a different name. Each person, when it is using it, the tape is little different in the measurement. But the union of measurements which we have learned are centimeter and meter. We also recollected that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, which we have learned in the first chapter also. Now, we also saw certain basic multiplication concepts over there, like when we were relating up with the Zumba's height, and we have also learned how Zumba found her height by dividing also, simple division. Yes, that is division of 3-digit number with 1-digit number. So here we have learned simple multiplication examples, that is 2 times is what, double is what, and subtraction with borrowing of 3-digit number. I hope everybody has started doing the worksheets regularly. Yes, you have to solve these worksheets, otherwise you will not be able to revise the concepts, and then you will not be able to learn further sessions. So, moving further, today in the further concept, we have certain inter-school sports meet. Now everybody knows that we have our sports day in our school. Yes, what we have in our sports day in the school, we have different races which our sports teachers conduct, right? And in that also we have different running race, we have sack race, we have many hop race, different type of race are there for you all, right? And when you are having certain race, there is a certain distance being kept for you as you are able to run, and it is different for girls and boys as well. Now here it is given inter-school sports meet. Inter-school only is difference is that between two schools when we have a sports competition. Okay, now we have our sports day in two different houses. Yes, when we are having between blue and green house, so we say that it is inter-house sports, right? We like you have football and cricket matches which is between two houses. Now here it is written inter-school sports meet. You would have seen that other school children come to play here with our school children to play cricket also. Okay, so such when matches are conducted, we call it as inter-school sports meet. Now here is a race given, that there is a race of 100-meter race for the girls. Now Arundhati is one of the participant. Let's see what is the situation of the race. Now see here. Here's a picture coming up on your screen. You can see that a flag is there which is the finishing line, and Arundhati seems to be very near to the finishing line. Yes, so it is also given that she is about 6 meters from it. Now here children, it is written about 6 meters. About means it is an estimation. It can be in little more or little less also. Okay, so remember this which we have learned, right, in the previous session also, like when we were calculating the distance between the two dots, we were first estimating that the distance between two dots might be 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, but when you exactly drawn by using scale, you got little bit 3.2 or 4.3 like this. Okay, so this here it is written that Arundhati is about 6 meters from the finishing line. Now behind her there is one of the friend which is Rihanna. Okay, they have just given that Rihanna is behind her, but they have not told how much distance she is. But as the picture shows, I feel that she is not much far than her. It's a little near only. Can you guess how much near it can be? Let's go further first and then guess all. Okay, now here Konkana and Uma are also there, two participants which are running behind Rihanna. Okay, so look at this picture now. There are 4 participants, that is 4 girls are participated in 100-meter race. Okay, the flag shows the finishing line. Okay, Arundhati is just near to the finishing line, about 6 meters. So they have given us that she is about 6 meters from the finishing line. And Rihanna is behind Arundhati, and Konkana and Uma are behind Rihanna. Now, what else we can see that you have also been seeing that for small children we are having such small distance race. Yes, when you were also in UKG, LKG, we would be having only 2-meter race. Now what is 1 meter? 1 meter is only 100 centimeter. You have made meter scale also, right? So small children might have only 5-meter race also. Means 5 meter means how many? 500 centimeters. So that it is less distance for them to cover. Okay, and it is very easy to judge them also. Okay, but as you grow up, the distance are more. Like now you might be also participating in 100-meter race. 100 meter means 100 into 100. That many centimeters it may go. Okay, so and adults go more than that. You would have seen when they are having races of big children or sports like in Olympics or that we have running race, right? There we see that they are running in kilometers. Okay, we will discuss even the kilometers of the race, but let's see first about this race, how Arundhati, Rihanna and Konkana are participating in this, because still I have a question in mind that how far might be Rihanna from Arundhati or from the finishing line. Yes, let me guess. Now let's see, guess something and find certain answers. Okay, now here is a question given that to answer such questions like how far is Rihanna and how far Konkana and Uma is from Rihanna, we have to just first estimate. Let's estimate first. To answer this question, choose from this below distances. Like suppose here now they have given us 4 options: 3 meter, 6 meter, 10 meter and 15 meter. Okay, now here Arundhati is 6 meter from the running race and Rihanna seems to be little closer to Arundhati. So it might be, which is the smallest here? 3 meter only, because it seems to be less than the 6 meter which they have shown in the race. Yes, so Rihanna might be 3 meter far from Arundhati. Isn't it, children? Are you seeing with me? Yes. So if it is asked that how far is Rihanna from Arundhati, so I guessed it that Rihanna seems to be near Arundhati, so it can be 3 meter, like how I guessed. Okay, now nextly Konkana and Uma. Now how far ahead is Rihanna from Konkana and Uma? How far do you think? How far? It sometimes feel like the distance of Arundhati from the finishing line, that is near about 6 meter, because it doesn't seem of 10 meters or 15 meters. Do you feel it is 10 meter, children? Why I am not guessing 10 meters? Because they have shown that how far that Arundhati is from the finishing line, and that much is near about 6 meters. So if Konkana and Uma seems to be same distance, I feel that they will be 6 meter far from Rihanna. So I have guessed that Konkana and Uma seems to be about 6 meter away from Rihanna. Okay, now what will be the total distance then? If Konkana and Uma are 6 distance far from Rihanna, Rihanna is 3 meter far from Arundhati, then how far Konkana and Uma are from the finishing line? Means the total distance now they have to cover if they want to win in the race. Okay, now how we will calculate? We will calculate that Arundhati from the finishing line is how much? 6 meters. Then Rihanna from Arundhati is 3 meters. And then Konkana and Uma from Rihanna is 6 meters. That is, we have guessed it. Okay, so then total distance will be how much? That the Konkana and Uma have to cover to reach the finishing line will be 6 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to how much, children? Very easy. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So, it is about 15 meters that they have to cover if they want to win, to reach the finishing line. So, we saw so interesting things when you were having in your regular sports day races also. We always see that who is second, who is third, right? So, it has been estimated how near you are to the first person, okay? And then they calculate the distance also, okay? Now, going further, we have seen here that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. And so here we saw that small children, we have 10 meter race, 50 meter race, etc. But for the adults, you may have 5 kilometer and 10 kilometers. So little bit of conversion, we will see that 1 meter is 100 centimeter and half meter will be how much? 50 centimeters. So if I tell you to calculate, now for example, 2 meter will be how many centimeter, children? So 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 2 meter will be 2 into 100, that is 200 centimeters. It is very easy. Then again, how much will be 3 meters? It will be 3 into 100, 3 meter. 4 meters, 400. Correct, very good. 5 meter, 500. 6 meter, 600 centimeter. 7 meter, 700 centimeter. And now here one more example I have shown. 8 meter will be 8 into 100, 800 centimeter. Very good. You have understood that. Now here again I have shown you one more example. 6 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 6 into 100, that is 600 centimeter. And if it is a big number like 12 meter, it will be also same way. 12 into 100, you have to just put 2 zeros of 100, 1200 centimeter. Or you can also read it as 1200 centimeter. Okay, so if we see an adult participating in 12 meter race, we can say that he has covered 1200 centimeter also. Okay, you can read it in that unit also. And also if we have bigger numbers like 28 meter, we say that the length of this wall or length of this road is 28 meter, and if you convert it into centimeter, how you will find it? 28 into 100 will be, just add 2 zeros to 28, that is 2800 centimeters. It is very easy to calculate, children, and I know we have learned this in previous session also, but you need to revise your concept again and again. Okay, let us see. See here, I have shown you one more time the same thing. 28 meter is 28 into 100, that is 2800 centimeter. Now one thing is we can also write in the reverse order. Here I like how I've shown you that if 1 meter is 100 centimeter, means 100 centimeter is also equal to 1 meter. Na? Like sometimes you would say that your height you measure. Did you measure your height, family members' height, children? Did you recollect how much you have grown? I had given you an activity in the previous session. Yes, to compare the height lengthwise, who is longer, who is shorter. And I also told you that see your previous year's height, note down, and this year's, and subtract difference and see that how much you have grown, or you have really grown in your height or not. That is height wise. Okay. So same way you would see that your height, sir also measures in centimeters. Like suppose it is 128 centimeters, 130 centimeters. Everybody's height will be different. So but when I will convert that in meter, how much it will be? Okay, like even when we are bringing some small cloth also, they say, the tailor says or the shopkeeper says that I want only 800 centimeter of cloth. Okay, like for a small kerchief or small top, a t-shirt type. So they would say that it is only 700 centimeter. And according to your size, it will not fit. For smaller kids, if you want to make, it will be enough. So that way, the 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Then how will you find out? How will you convert that centimeter into meter? Let's see that also. Okay. Now see here, 800 centimeter is equal to how much meters now? Let's see. First, what I will write? Don't forget to write the formula. Okay, the conversion, because if you write that, you will always remember the steps. Okay, now 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay, now 800 centimeters will be what? I have to divide that 800 by 100. That is 800 divided by 100. How much it will be? It is 8 meter. Very simple. You can see the division and see, like 80 divided by 10 will be 8. Same way, 800 divided by 100 will be 8 meter. Like how you write tens table, you know hundreds table also, na? So in 100, how much is 800? 108 is 800. Let's see one more example. Now here it is 750 centimeter. Now see here it is 750 centimeter. We have to convert in meter. Now how we will see? Now here we know that 100 centimeter is 1 meter and 50 centimeter is half meter. We can say it half meter. So first I will split that. 750 centimeter means 700 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. Correct, children? Then what I will do? I will first convert the centimeter into meter. Now how I will convert? Firstly, I will divide that 700 by 100 centimeter. Correct? So if I divide 700 by 100, what I will get? 7 meter. And 50 centimeter, we know that it is half meter. So 7 meter plus half meter is 7.5 meter. So when I convert, 750 centimeter will be 7 meter half meter, that is 7.5 meter. So when we are relating this with the race also, we have to see now how to convert, because here the races are given in meter and centimeters, and you might be using this in many places, not only in your sports. Okay, so let's just recap what we have learned. That is, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, half meter is equal to 50 centimeters, and the reverse also. If you want to find centimeter is given and you want to convert in meter. Okay, now 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter and 50 centimeter is equal to half meter. So then how I will write? If your height is 150 centimeter, I would say that it is 1.5 meter, because 50 is half and 100 is 1. So it will be 1.5 meter. I have given such sums in worksheets also, and also guided you how to solve with the steps. With the steps, when you solve, you will get a practice, and then you will learn to calculate mentally also. You have to practice more. Okay, how to convert meter into centimeter and centimeter into meter. Now I have drawn a picture here to just to remember. If you draw this figure also, you will always remember conversion of meter into centimeter. Like if I want to convert the meter into centimeter, I have to multiply by 100. But if I have to convert centimeter into meter, that is lower unit to bigger unit, I have to divide by 100. Okay, children? Did you get it? Yes. And you will understand more when you will solve the worksheet. Okay, children? So, for today, I'll be recollecting here the conversions, and we will learn further conversions in the next session. Good day, children.